Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at lockdownsecurity.ca, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and this video today is about this 2023 Tesla Model Y that we did the Hansshow selectable illumination kit on the interior of the vehicle. So as you will start to see, we've got it basically lit up in blue color. Quite a bit of labor and work went into this. Essentially, it puts the accent lighting on the door, on the dash, in the center console, in the seats, in the back door. We also did these speaker covers, the tweeter covers that also light up. If I open up the back, I will show you. So you can see, it's actually pretty cool. And again, it's selectable in color, so I can change the actual color and the rhythm and the pattern, which I'll show you now using the control module in the center console. So if I get into the vehicle, here is the control module. It might be a little bit difficult for you to see, but essentially you've got an RGB control. So if I just simply do this, I've now switched it to green, and it syncs throughout the entire vehicle, including the speaker covers. If I put it to gradual, you shall see the colors will change and cycle through different colors. If I put it to jump, you can see it quickly jumps between colors. It also has a rhythm feature, which you can't see because it's not showing up in my phone, but rest assured this is very easy to see, and it's an LCD screen. It's actually quite cool, and it's integrated right into the center console. But you can do rhythm so that if you have audio playing, you can actually have the LED lighting pulse to the music and go with the rhythm. As you can see, we've also got LED lighting down in the footwell on both the driver and the passenger side. And then you can see the back. It's quite cool. It really sharpens the look of the interior of this vehicle and makes it very unique to your own, because there's not every Tesla Model Y has the interior lighting package. So this is quite cool. You may have noticed we've also got the Hansshow center mount LCD screen. We did not install this today, but that was installed previously. Today consisted of essentially the speaker covers and all of the interior lighting, including the control. We do have a picture up on our Instagram that shows you have to have all the door panels off. There's quite a bit of disassembly, and this vehicle actually, somebody previously to us tried to install this kit and they damaged a lot of the panels, so we had to do a repair job on this to get all of the panels back on properly. But now they're nice and snug and they're factory fitment again. So if you or someone you know is interested in adding the Hansshow custom interior lighting kit, we can assist here at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca. If you can, hit the like button on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. And let me just go back to the lighting again. You can see exactly how cool this makes this Model Y look. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.